我们来看这一篇 RA， 它的标题呢叫做 AgeDiscrimination， 年龄的歧视。注意它的动词呢叫做 discriminate。好，我们首先来看第一句话。Many people believe that employers discriminate against older people because youth have more energy and creativity. 好，首当其冲这句话你要注意它的两个断句的地方，一个是在 believe 跟 that 之间，因为它后面是一个从句，所以它感觉就是 many people believe that employers discriminate against older people。后面这个 because 引导的呢，它也是一个从句了啊 ，because 什么什么。那我们在 people 跟 because 间呢，也要做出停顿来，就是 against older people。Because youth have more energy and creativity。哎，你发现如果你停一下下的话呢 ，because youth have more energy and creativity， 这个 youth 年轻人他会听得非常非常的清楚啊，这是重读就出来了。再来看下一句 ，This is not true. The main reason for hiring younger workers is payroll。Alright， 前面这个 this is not true 停顿我不用再说了，这是标点符号的停顿。那你把这个 not true 可以重读一下，表示它不是啊，表示不是真实的。This is not true. The main reason for hiring younger workers is payroll。你发现在这个 workers 跟 is 之间我做了一个短短的停顿，原因是它是主语跟谓语是分离的啊，主语是 reason， 而谓语是 is。这种情况呢，我们在这个长句子的谓语之间呢停一下下。啊，那停完之后也是相同的道理，你的 payroll 重读可以体现的很明显啊。Hiring younger workers is payroll，OK。再下一句 ，In most countries, your salary is dependent on how many years of work experience you have. Alright， 这个当中呢没有什么太难的单词，也是注意停顿、断句还有重音。In most countries 可以重读。Your salary is dependent on how many years of work experience you have. Salary is dependent 重读on how many years of work experience. Work experience 可以读重一点。最后一句 It's far more cost efficient to hire postgraduates fresh out of university than senior staff with over 20 years of industry knowledge. 哎，这句话相对比较长，也是首先注意它的断句，所有标点的地方呢要断一下啊。Far more cost efficient 这个词注音啊叫做 efficient。Far more cost efficient to hire postgraduates 停 fresh out of university 停 then senior staff 可以拉长音一点点，因为也是重读啊。With 20 years of industry knowledge 行业内部的知识。好了，这就是我们这一篇 RA 所有的重点。